Hi everyone, so today I want to unbox with you Onda by Wille Modixx collection, and the color is Bahama Beige Shaded. I am wearing Selena by Wille, but this is from the Stimulate collection, a really cute bob for summer, slide wave in it, great little piece, but it's not about Selena, it's about Onda now. So unbox it with me. I've never tried a curly one quite like Onda to see what that looks like. So let's look at the cap construction. So it has a lace front that's not extended. It has a mono part, open wefts, sides and back. Let's look at this color, Bahama Beige Shaded, really pretty color, and look at these curls. Really nice curls, and then you have a little bit of a shorter layer here at the front. My first proper curly wig. Oh, this is adorable. So I just run my fingers through it just a little bit, just to move the fibers away from the cap so they don't look quite so packed in, and they just move a little bit more freely. Without doing any more, I will show you what it looks like straight out of the box. It's so cute. I'm not used to seeing myself with these kinds of curls. Quite light, a little bit of permatease, but nothing much. It's adorable. Right, let's look at the lace front. Overall, nicely done. Obviously, I will do a proper review very soon, so stay tuned for that. And then you have this kind of front layer here. So you probably could cut a bit of a fringe in there if you wanted to. I quite like it, how it frames my eyes here with those curls. So cute. Let's look at it, how it looks like tucked. Really pretty. I like Onda. Cute piece. So tell me what you think of Onda, and the link to this piece is down below in the description box, and I will pin it to the comments as well, so you can find it quickly and easily, and my code K20 will give you 20% off. And don't forget, Adorans will ship worldwide, so if you are not in the UK, you can still get hold of this piece easily. Bye!